In this video, I want to share what I have found to be the best side hustle for full-time income in 2024. I work this side hustle myself. It's been my #1 recommended income stream for several years. Stick with me, and you will learn how you can make more money faster and easier in just minutes a day with a simple side hustle. It's something almost anyone can do. No skills or experience are needed. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been a full-time side hustler for over 20 years. Even better than the income is the time freedom that I have created for my wife and I. We never have to say, "I'm sorry, we can't make it," when something comes up. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most of our friends and neighbors are busy at their jobs. And I'm sure that sounds good to you too. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video, and if you have any questions, leave them there too. I do read and respond to all of them. I know you've heard the term side hustle. It's something you do to make extra money. There are all kinds of side hustles today. I read online that over half of us in the U.S. are working a side hustle. Everything seems to cost more today. Lots of people are looking for the extra income just to get by. I've talked to so many people who say that an extra $500 or $600 a month would make all the difference. But this video is not about an extra few $100s a month. This is about creating a full-time income and doing it with a minimal time commitment, unlike in a traditional job. And that's a tall order to fill for most so-called side hustles. First off, you need to be aware that most side hustles are more like taking on another job when it comes to time commitment. See, rather than leveraging your time, you end up just trading your time for money. With those side hustles, the only way you can make more money is to put in more time. And with most of them, it will be almost impossible to create a full-time income. You've probably heard of the common side hustles people turn to for extra money, things like DoorDash, Instacart, Grubhub, Uber, and Lyft. But I'm not sure there are enough hours in the day to create a full-time income that way. And that's what makes what I want to share the best side hustle for full-time income. It's one specific opportunity in a business model called affiliate marketing. This is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. I've been doing it for years now. I love it. There are many affiliate offers to choose from. The one I build, the one I recommend, is unique. It's one where you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. Let me tell you a little bit about it. First off, it's very affordable to start. It pays out big commissions on a weekly basis and has recurring or passive income too. I really like getting paid by direct deposit each Thursday. Now, this recurring income is key to both creating the full-time income and leveraging your time. See, you can keep getting paid month after month for the sales you make each day. So it's not just about the money, but creating time freedom too. Thanks to a simple, proven marketing system, anyone can do this side hustle. Like I said, no previous experience is needed. And again, it only takes minutes a day. And you can put that time in from wherever you want to be, whenever it's convenient for you. Imagine making money while you're at the beach. Seriously, I even do it while I'm out sailing. We have the best training and support in the industry, and on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You will never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell whenever you need help. It's just so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. To learn more and start creating your full-time income today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.